Well, here we are. Head over to the baler here. I didn't mention in my last video, but I really want to thank everybody for all the support that you gave me with this bull crap I was going through. Really appreciate it. It helps me to know that there's people on my side, you know, even if they're not right here. But so I hope I didn't lose any subscribers over this. Hope you all understand why I wasn't making videos. You know, hard to make videos without a camera. But here we is, coming up to the baler. Like I said, I punched some out the other day, but moisture was running about 20% or so, and we usually like to keep it anywhere from 12 to 16 on an average. So just wasn't quite what we wanted. This is all we got swathed right now. We've been afraid to lay anything else down because it's just been raining, just pouring rain here last week or week and a half, 2 weeks even. But I'm not going to complain about that though. The rain is very much appreciated. Wonderful thing to have. Now let's see if we can get this dirty pig to start up without ether. I don't know if I brought ether with me or not. Should. It's been about 70 today. But okay. Here we go. There's a moisture tester. Yeah, showing way wet. Average of 24.4 with a 36.2 on this bale. Get my refreshing beverages out. I usually try to refrain from drinking alcohol while I'm driving the tractor. Generally turns out to be a bad idea. So here we go. See if we got her. Come on. Come on. Oh, it wants to. There we go. Atta girl. Now let's let it warm up for a minute, and then we can take off. Well, we got the Sirius on channel 60, and we're punching out bales. Taking it pretty good. Gonna have to get out and check one here pretty soon. But there seems to be a problem with my moisture tester, because it is not 99.9% moisture. So I don't know whether there's a broken lead somewhere or what, but I'm gonna have to check that out. For now though, putting out some pretty nice bales. I'll get off and check this next one we do. Next one that drops. You know, maybe it is a little bit damp. Okay, well, see how the bales feel. Oh, that's nice and tight. I could actually probably loosen that up a quarter turn. Maybe a quarter to a half. Running about 400 pounds now. Take it down a full half a turn. Nah, them bales aren't wet. Something going on with our moisture testers, what's going on. I wonder what the heck. I don't know. Something's not right with it though. I can say that for 100% sure. That's strange. look good. We're gonna keep on baling. I got my line pinched behind the seat maybe somewhere. Or?
It's actually a good thing starting to get back.
Well, I just don't know. Yeah. Well, that ain't right anyways. Well, punching out good bales. We're looking all right. I think we'll leave it. Well, I was bailing along, minding my own business. Got my moisture tester working and been making some nice bales. And all of a sudden I heard a noise. So I looked behind me and look what I saw. Huh. Apparently, I carried up a rock that at this point I'm wishing I would not have. Hopefully I haven't done any damage to the baler. Tire off the ground. That is a first for me. I've never seen anything quite like that happen before. Seen a lot of stuff while I was baling, but never anything quite like that. Never even saw it coming either. Geez, I can't figure out how the heck those teeth dug up that great big ass rock. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do to get off it. If I go backwards, I'm gonna tear up my guards. If I go forwards, take a chance of catching it on an axle or something, or one of the fingers, knotters. So I think I maybe got a thought in mind. Hopefully we didn't wreck nothing. Okay, but you can see we got our moisture tester working. At any rate, let's pick up. Okay, the reel's up all the way. Boy, I just don't even know what to do here. Yeah, I don't know if I dare go forward. Just gonna tear up the baler more. Try going back down. Oh God, that is hard on the guards. Well, hopefully I didn't do too much damage. Oh man. You know, Dad insists on baling these little pieces like this. And it's just, I keep telling him, you know, we tear something up and then all of a sudden this hay that we're putting up down here, all of a sudden it gets real expensive. Damn it anyways. I don't need to be doing that crap. That was a big ass rock too. Son of a fuck. Well, let's try this thing slow. We're catching some on the reel. Maybe we can make it through this field so I can get it drug home. I got a bunch of guards ordered in anyways, so. I guess we'll try and get through this field with it. Well, we're on our way home, and we're not in the pickup, so you know what that means. Apparently that rock did some damage. I don't know what exactly it did. I haven't even stopped to look. I just know it's skipping a chain and won't turn the reel over, so I guess we'll figure it out when we get home.